Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine. So today, I am your teacher. My name is Sundar Salman. So let's be friends. Let's try to know each other. In order to be someone's friend, you need to know their liking and their disliking. Yes? And if you want to be someone's friend, you want to tell them your liking and your disliking. Because if you have a common interest, if you both like same cartoon, and if you both like to do to play same game, then it would be more fun to be with that particular person who share your interest. For example, if you want to be my friend, you should know what I like and what I do not like. Let me tell you, I like mangoes, but I do not like bananas. I love to paint, I love to paint, but I don't like to sing. So it is very important to know how to express your likings and your disliking. So in order to make a proper sentence to tell that you don't like particular thing, you use I do not like. For example, what is this? Sleep. If your mother is telling you to sleep earlier and you don't want to sleep right now, so how will you express? It's an action word. You all know that sleep is an action word, right? So how will you say, I do not like to sleep? This is a complete sentence. You have to use the word to with the action word. All can guess which action word is this. Yes, it is pull. So if you want to say, if you want to express your disliking towards pulling any heavy stuff, so you will express it like, I do not like to pull. That is a complete sentence. I do not like to pull. Now let's make the sentences of I do not like with the flashcards. Can you all tell me what is this? Yes, it's a cockroach. Do you like cockroach? No, we don't like cockroach. They're very creepy, right? So how will you express it? You will make a sentence. Say, I do not like cockroach. I do not like cockroach, right? Okay, now tell me, what is this? This is a trash, right? Very smelly. So do you like trash? No, obviously, no one likes trash. So how do we explain it? I do not like trash, right? Here is your trash. I do not like trash. What are these? Ew, pretty creepy, right? Lizard. So how will you say? I do not like lizard. I do not like lizard. So these are the do not sentences with the meaning word. Now with the action word. As I say, I do not like pull. This is the way you make a sentence. I do not like pull. No, this is the wrong sentence. Because pull is an action word, and with action word, it is always use the word do. Yes, for the correct sentence, we will use I do not like to pull. Now this is a complete sentence. I do not like to pull. Tell me which action word is this? Right, you are correct, sleep. So if you want to say that you do not like, how will you make a sentence? I do not like, what do you say? I do not like sleep? No, we will use to because sleep is an action word. So we will make a sentence, I do not like to sleep. Now this is our complete sentence. who are clear with the concept, and you will do practice it at your home with the flashcard. It is not necessary to get a printout for these flashcards. You can simply cut a paper, write with a marker on it with the help of your parents, and you can arrange the flashcards in form of these sentences like this. See you in the next video. I hope you like the video and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.